All aboard!
Hello, and today I'll be mostly unveiling a train set. And indeed, I'm going to be unboxing and playing with this 1997 vintage rural rambler hornby train set. Bit of fun, and without further ado, let's have a look what you get, or what you got back in 1997. And this was purchased on eBay for £30, and to be honest, it was a steal. Why nobody bidded on it for £30, I don't know. Box train set, everything in it. Track in good condition, controller, transformer, power clips, locomotive and 3 wagons. 30 quid, can't go wrong. And the track map. And it has the instruction sheet with 1997 date on it. So you can date it exactly, and it was on the 16th of the 6th, 97. So there you go.
And there I go, this is my second attempt at this audio, and what we're doing here is assembling the train track, and it's in really good condition. I have my doubts that this has had hardly any use off a child. There's no bent fish plates, no. So if it has been used, it's been either really well cared for or very little use, and there doesn't seem to be that much wear on the wheels, so I'd say it's had very little use. I'd say it was bought in 97 and packed away again in 97. Not to see the light of day till 2023. But anyway, here we go. Basic running. It's a little bit shonky, slow speed. But once it speeds up, it gets into its rhythm. And most of it I think I can attribute to it not having any lubrication since 1997. So what is that? What does it make it? 97, 2007, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26-year-old. It's probably not been lubed for about 25 years. So no wonder it's a bit sketchy. At first embedded in, but I'm disconnecting it here and taking it for some well-earned oil. And a bit of grease on its driving gear. And it's back now from lubing. And it made a huge difference as soon as it started running. It wasn't half as shaky, and it was quieter, and I think it even goes a bit faster. So on all fronts it made a big difference. I've still got it running in the background here, skittering away in my hallway. And I think it's been going for around about roughly an hour. I'm just watching it as it passes every so often. And here we go. I'm sure it goes faster, quieter, etc. Made a big difference to it. But for 30 quid, you couldn't go wrong. Buy it a kid, buy it for yourself for a mess about. Whatever. There's a lot of these sets turn up on eBay. And you'll get one for around 30, 35 quid. And you can't go wrong with it. The loco and the wagon alone will be about 30 quid's worth. Well, it's more for these wagons and loco. Let's be honest, on eBay you're going to pay 20 quid for the 15-20 quid alone for the loco. Probably about a tenner for that Wakefield Castrol wagon. Probably about 7-8 quid for the coal hopper. Maybe more, they're popular for some reason. And the little 5-plank or whatever it is wagon, private owner wagon, you'd probably pay a fiver for. So you've more than your 30 quid's worth in rolling stock before you even get onto the track, the power clip, the transformer, the controller, the track map, everything you get in it. Anyway, a few different views here. And there we go, passing by. You can see why they've chosen the wagons and the locomotive. The bright colours, well, it's bright primary colours mainly. And they'll appeal to the younger eye. Anyway, thank you for watching. And all I'll say for now, as per usual, is tatty pie, everybody. Tatty pie.